I will not be watching the World Cup final. Everything I ever wanted in this FIFA World Cup 2026 never happened. I wanted Portugal to win the World Cup. Portugal got eliminated by Spain in the round of 32. I shifted my loyalty to France to defeat Spain in the semi-final. Spain defeated France again. I supported England, my host country, against Argentina in the other semi-final. It almost happened. Then England lost to Argentina in the semi-final. What is there to watch in the final? Just tell me, what is there to watch in the final? The only thing that will interest me is Spain defeating Argentina. But I will not be watching the final.